Hi. So tell me, guys, are you still one of those that will buy meat? Maybe you buy your meat, you buy a whole meat like we do, like I do. I do buy full goat meat. I store it in my freezer and we're eating it. Now, I want to ask you, are you one of those that will find a, the meat from the meat you buy and you find it is fatty and you gather the fat and you throw them off? Now and you go to the shops to buy oil to cook? No. I said no. Please stop it. Just like I have known, I want to let you know and so you can stop it as well. Yes, guys, these are the fats I got from the goat meat I bought. The female goat meat, especially, yes, they have this fats, a lot of fat in them. So before I will throw them off, but now I know. Hey, and I want you to know. Okay, so all you just need to do is wash them very well, wash it very well, put it in your pot that will size the fat, and just go cooking as if you're cooking. Yeah, from cooking to drying. Yes, because the water will go off first and the fat will start melting out, as you can see here. Look at the fat. Meanwhile, please don't mind this, the size of the, or will I say the shape of this video. I don't know how I set my camera and it's giving me this. Please bear with me, but just get what I am teaching you here. It's very important. Look at the oil coming out, melting out, the fat melt coming out as oil. Yes, those are, though there's still water in it, but just be patient. Don't go. You'll see it all come out as all the whole water will go. Yes, guys, we are almost there. So tell me what you think about this video. At the end of the watch, don't forget to give it a like. Leave your comments in the comment section so I will know what you think about this teaching I am doing today. Okay? And if you are coming new, if you are new, please subscribe and get the bell notification activated so that anytime I upload, you'll get the alert. Yes, here I am done. These are the stubborn ones that refuse to melt out. And these ones, I'm not going to throw them off even. Yes, they're still going to serve as taste to the food I'm making and as fat. I'm going to restore them I'm going to put them inside the freezer by the time they get cold. I'll put them in the sachet and put in my freezer for further use. Okay? And the oil, I'm gonna keep it, guys. Hey, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I know this, and I'm so happy I'm showing it to you. Please share out this video so that people who have not known, who did not know, will know about this. We know that it is a waste to throw off the fat you have, and these are healthy fats. This, look at the oil out. Look at the oil. Beautiful, smells good. If you use this to cook, it will give your food a unique taste, a unique, aroma. I'm just filtering out the oil to make sure the particles of the dry whatever does not enter the oil. There's nothing wrong in that, but I don't want it. After all, everything is still going into the food as stays, but I just want the oil to come out or and remain neat. That is it, guys. So please, I repeat, share this video out so that those of them who are still like I was will now know the thing. Yes, I am pouring it into a container. This container is a tea container, a chocolate tea container. My girls consumed. Then I washed and I'm using it to store the oil. And it came out exactly one. I don't know the measurement of this the size of this container. I'm going to look for it and I'll put it here for you so that you understand what I'm saying. I got a lot of oil from this fat, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching and thank you for sharing it out so you can teach others. Look at it. Can you see it? This all, I have been using it anytime I want to make a different. At times I use it, at times I use normal vegetable oil. But guys, it is good. Stop wasting and stop wasting. You throw them off and you go and buy another one. So look at it. Hey, look at the whole oil I got from the fats. They are healthy ones, of course. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. I repeat, please leave in the comment section what you think about this video. What you think about this video. I'm sorry, like I said, this one is going to my freezer for further use. I can add it to the food anytime I want. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you have not done so. In my next video, I'll see you guys. Okay, love you, love you, love you. Bye.